Hi friends, this is Praveen Jadhav. Just a few days back, I bought this Bose Soundsports free earbuds. Since I have bought it a few days back, the box is in open condition. So let me recreate the scene for you and reveal the contents inside it. So this is Bose Soundsports free box for you. The MRP of the Soundsports free earbuds is 18990, but if you have a little bit patience, you can wait for discount up to 30% on Amazon or any other portals you are familiar or acquainted with. Let me reveal the contents of the box to you. As you can see, the moment you open, this is the manual. Who wants to know the contents of the manual? So let me throw it like a James Bond. Next we have charging cable, and we have small and large sets of earbuds. The medium size of earbuds is already fitted with the earbuds, with the earphones. We have charging case. The charging case absolutely looks like a jewel box, and in it what we have been waiting for is earbuds. Don't they look like jewel? Yes, they look like a jewel. Okay, it's absolutely great looking, great design, amazing. So coming to the next chapter, whether the product you have received, such an expensive product you have received, is fake or real. As the cost of this Bose Soundsports free headphones is almost 20,000 rupees or 300 USD, you should be more concerned about its originality unless you buy it from the Bose showroom. Fortunately, the product I have received through Amazon is genuine. So to start with, if you turn around the box, at its bottom you will see the sticker with serial number of the product and various other details, giving the impression that the product is genuine. If you open the box further, you will see that the paper quality of the box is very high and the images are crispy, lively and glossy. The Bose charging case, the headphones charging case, has its own details at its bottom, and also it was covered in a plastic wrapper which I had to cut using the paper cutter. Under the manual, the charging case, the charging cable has its own serial number which was also covered in a plastic wrapper which I had to cut using the paper cutter. Both the earbuds have its own serial number. So I think this information is enough to prove that the product we have received is genuine and not fake. Now let me help you with the charging case and its functions. The back of the charging case has got charging cable point, and the front of the charging case, as you can see, has got one button and 5 LEDs. The 5 LEDs, the LEDs lit show the battery status of the case. In this case, out of 5 LEDs, only 2 LEDs are on. That means my charging case is 40% charged. One firm press on this button will open the top lid of the case and will reveal the earbuds to you. These earbuds do not have power button. To power them on, simply remove them from the charging case, and to power them off, place them back in the charging case. The LED lights blinking show that the earbuds are being charged, and when the lights are steady, that means the earbuds are 100% charged. The right earbud has got plus and minus volume buttons, and in between the plus and minus volume button there is additional button. One press on this button can pause the audio track, 2 taps on this button can forward the audio track, and 3 taps on this button can rewind you can go back to the previous track. The left earbud has got Bluetooth connectivity function, which you can use it for switching between the devices. Bose claims that the earbuds can hold a charge for up to 5 hours. I think 4.5 hours is a good figure to estimate. Whereas the charging case can hold a charge for up to 10 hours. That means you can charge your headphones twice before you can start charging the case. Coming to its final verdict, after 1 week of its uses, I can tell you that This product is amazing. There is no competition to its sound quality in this price segment. The sound quality is absolutely amazing. It's sharp and it's crystal clear. As I have told you about its good features and its amazing functions, let me tell you about its drawbacks. Each product is associated with some flaws. These headphones have also got some flaws. This product is meant only for use for listening to music. This could be the marketing strategy. But you cannot use it, you cannot pair it with TV for listening to TV serials, as you will notice a huge lag when the sound reaches you. So that you should keep in mind before you finalize the purchase of this product. But be sure that this product is good for sport activities. No matter how intensive your workout is, these headphones will not fall from your ears. So that's all from my side for these headphones. See you next time. Thank you for listening to me.